What's up, YouTube? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I miss you guys. It's been a while I posted on YouTube, and that's because, man, trading has been so tough. You understand? So, as you guys know, if you've been following my channel, you all know that I've been on a serious losing streak, and then I had to take a break for a while in trading, and then after some time, I came back. I took some trade, and then I managed to make some percentage, and then I'm trying to still get out of drawdown from my funded account. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the trade which I took and then what the account looks like. So trade in this period, it got to the point that I even posted. If you've been following my channel, if you've been like following my channel, you see the post I made recently about trying to change my strategy, but I've not done that, and I don't even think I'm going to do that because this strategy made me a funded trader, also got me some withdrawals, and even the withdrawals I got, they were small. And even at that, those withdrawals was that I did not even like hold those trades till TP. I was like cutting my winnings trade short, and then that's why I think I'm not going to be changing this strategy anytime soon. So I'll just switch my screen and then show you guys the trades I took and what the account looks like. So let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? So welcome back to my screen. So let me show you guys the trade which I took on the account. Remember, I was almost like 6% down, if not 8%. I was almost 6% here, 6% down on the account. So let's go. This is the first. This was the first trade. So this is it. So I saw this level, I plotted this level, and then I waited for price. This is just a simple break and retest, you get. So I waited for price to retest this level, and then when price retested the level, the buy was aggressive, you get. So what I just had to do was just go down to like a lower time frame. I went down to the 15 minutes, and then I was looking at immediately price tested this level, it started buying. I was looking for an opportunity to enter, because you guys know that anytime my price test my level, I always wait for something like maybe a W pattern, an M pattern, or something like that to just get into my trade. So price tested this level and then started buying. I did not see any opportunity until it created this low here, and this low now created this like break and retest, created this high, came down. It was as if it wanted to come back to like retest and started selling, and then it continued. So immediately I saw this continuation pattern, then I entered for this buy. I entered on an immediate break because I did not know if price was going to come back to come and test this level because of the way the buy was going. So immediately price just broke this recent high created. I entered on an immediate break, and then I just set my SL and left my TP open. I was targeting this high here. This was where I was targeting as my TP, which is almost a 1:2 breaks to reward you get. So I was targeting there as my TP, and then I just set my SL, and then I left the chart, and then I closed my system. Just a few minutes later, I went out. I just checked the chart from my phone, and then I saw that price has spiked in my direction, giving me almost a 1:3 risk to reward. 1:3. Then immediately I closed out. So this was the result of that trade. Let me show you guys. So this was that buy. I entered. What I did, I entered 2 positions. I splitted my loss and I entered 2 positions. So this was the first buy. This was the first buy. The second one, the second position I entered early. Yeah. Yes, now. Yeah, the second position. So this was it. So I made almost was it $80? I made $80 plus on this trade. I made $80 plus on this trade. So after the next day, price it kept on buying, and then I saw this opportunity here to short good. So I entered for this sell. I was targeting this level here but unfortunately the price respected this level and then started buying. Then I this trade was supposed to take me out on SA, but I closed that immediately. I saw that price was not ready to go. Then I went on the 5 minutes, and then I saw the structure price was creating. Let me see. It will be hard for me to find. Okay, so this is it. So when I entered for this trade, price started selling, and then it got to this level here, it tested it, and then it started buying. Okay. Now it came back to say, immediately I saw that price failed to break this low and it started buying again. That was when I closed out on this trade. So I closed that around here. Which is this second end, which is this you're seeing here. I made only, let's say, $20 on this trade, just $20. So for that week I made a total of $100, which is 2% of my account. I made 2% of the account. So I closed that. Immediately I saw this W pattern, since that price is expecting this level, I closed that, and then that was it. And then this new week, which is just ending, I took some trades. As you can see here, you can see the loss, and it's sell buy. So this is what happened. Let me go on the 4-hour time frame. I saw that gold has been selling. You see, has been selling. So I was looking for an opportunity like to enter for this sell, and then let's go on this Chrome. I do not use that chat. So I was looking for an opportunity to sell, and then I had this level here. So I was waiting for price to retest this level and then start selling down to this level. But what the price immediately price got to that level, I entered. This was the first setup, the first sell which I took. Let's go on the 15 minutes. That was the first sell. So immediately price got to this level. Let me delete this one first of all, so that you guys understand. Immediately price got to this level, retested this level, I entered for that sell. It's dropped, and the moment it started buying, immediately it broke this high here. I saw that price was not ready to sell, and then immediately this candle it retraced. I closed that at $5 loss or so, this $5 loss, and then I entered for this buy. I entered for the next buy. I saw that price was not ready to sell, and then I said, okay, seems like this market wants to buy. It retested and started buying. Then I had to enter here, which is that other the other buy position I just took out. Let me bring it back. Oh, there I just took some. Okay, which is this buy position. So I entered for this buy here, and then price bought for few pips, and then I closed that because I was not confident on the trade. I was like, this buy trade I entered, I don't even know where I'm going to put my trade. I don't have any level I was targeting as my TP point, so I just had to just close that, which is this $7 profit you're seeing here. And then that was that to trade. I should have stopped trading for that deal, but instead no, I went ahead to look for another setup, and which brings me to this last setup which I took on this account. Was it here? Where did I take that setup? Let me see. I took a sell. Is it a sell? Let me see. Not yet. Seems like no, it's not this trade. Okay, that trade was on the 5. Let me see. That trade was on the 5 minutes. see. Okay. Okay, yeah, which is this buy now? Yeah. Let me see. This sell was this okay. This one was also buy. Okay, yeah. So I took this buy here and then I took this buy here, which was that other loss. Let me see. I took another trade, another buy. Let me see. Seems like it's this chart. Okay. Yes. So it was still a buy trade. So this trade, after seeing that price has been like breaking highs, creating a higher, and then I decided to enter on this retest of this level here. So I entered on the 5 minutes and then no good now. Good will always want to show you shaky. Then price immediately I entered. It was just as if my village people, they were monitoring me, just waiting for me to just click that buy button. Immediately I enter, then price cleared out that structure. I entered for the buy and then price just cleared out that structure. So this was, and it was on this trade and I went full margin because I seen this break of structure, price creating new highs. I was just like, this is the trade, let me just go all in. And then this was where I took that loss of $25, which made my account to be 4,774. So I lost 0.5%. So I'm actually how many percent down? I'm like 4.5% down, if I'm not mistaken, or 4.25% down. If I'm not mistaken. So these were the trades which I took for last week and this current week that is just ending, because today is Saturday. So this video, I'm going to be uploading this video on Monday. So these are just the trades. So just since I've been carrying you guys along on this account, how I passed it and how I got withdrawals, and then how I'm about to lose it. So I decided to still update you guys on this account. So this is what the account looks like. This is what it looks like. So these are the trades. As you can see, the market is closed. I think only BTC will be open. So this is it. So this was what I was looking at before the market closed. Price came back to this level, created this W pattern, blah blah blah. So I don't know what will happen next week. If price, what I'll be looking at, I know that what I'll be looking at is to buy from this level. If price comes back to retest here, I'll be looking to buy from here. Normally my stop loss is always below the candle that breaks, but this stop loss is too wide. That means I'll have to wait for confirmation, something like that, more confirmation. So I'll either be looking to buy from here, or if price breaks this high, then I enter. So that's what I'll be looking at for next week, or maybe I'll allow Monday price action play out, and then maybe from Tuesday I'll start looking out for entry. So that's just it. Yes, as you guys can see, that's the trade which I've taken so far on the account ever since I stopped posting here on YouTube. So I'm not even going to lie, like this current market condition has been hectic. Like you know that kind of how do I even put it? At first, when I started trading, like I did not even like I was a non-believer. I did not like even believe in trading, and then I challenged myself to like prove that trading actually works. And then I said, okay, people are getting funded. Like, that kind of thing when you're seeing people getting funded, it just looks like a movie to you. I said, like, people are getting funded. Okay, I'll try and get funded at least to prove that people are really getting funded. I got funded. I said, okay, I'm going to see if this Propfirm actually pays, like if trade really pays. And then I did it. I withdraw. Even though the money was not big, but I withdrew from the account. And now I know that, okay, if I can place this withdrawal, that means there are still bigger withdrawals I can place. And then that point, it just like, at that point when I just felt like, I've hacked this thing, like I've gotten what works, I'm going to be cashing out. Then suddenly everything just starts, like the losses just start coming in. Okay, you say you want to withdraw, you want to start making money from trading. And then I start chopping loss, SL. To the point, like, I'm not even asking myself, did I get funded luckily? Did I withdraw luckily? Because I know that what I'm doing now is what I was actually doing. I got funded. I know market condition changes, so what I'm doing now, the strategy I'm trading now, the way I enter, well, that was what I was doing. But what am I going to do? Only what I'm going to do is just like try to define my strategy and then just make it work. But if it's for changing strategy or more, I don't even have that strength, because changing strategy, I'll have to start like getting to understand his strategy, start looking for pairs that it works on perfectly, and so on. Well, that time again, is not there for now. Let me just stick with this one first, and then if at the end this one does not work, then I wonder, okay, I tried my best and then it did not work. But that's what has been happening lately. I've just been chopping loss upon loss. But what am I going to do? I'm always going to shop and then document my journey here and then show you guys how it's been going, and then we'll see how it ends. So if you like see my video, I come on here to document my journey. If you like this kind of content, kindly like and then subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.